Welcome back to Zimist Coded. Are you looking to save paper and print 2 pages of a PDF on a single sheet? Good news, it's much easier than you might think. Let's get started. Now, before we dive in, if this is your first time here or you haven't subscribed yet, take a quick second to hit the subscribe button. It really helps support the channel and keeps you coming back for more simple and practical Windows tutorials. All right, let's begin. First, go ahead and open your PDF file using your preferred PDF reader. Most PDF readers support this feature, and for this tutorial, I'll be using the free version of Adobe Acrobat. As you can see, I have a 16-page document, but instead of printing each page on a separate sheet, I want to print 2 pages per sheet to reduce the number of papers used. Now click on the print icon. Once the print window opens, start by making sure your printer is correctly selected. Next, click on Page Setup to confirm the correct paper size. I'm printing on an A4 sheet, so I'll select A4 from the list. When that's done, click OK. Now, back in the main print settings, look for the section labeled Page Sizing and Handling. Under this section, select Multiple. This is where the magic happens. Just below that, you'll see Pages per Sheet. By default, it's usually set to Custom. Click on the drop-down and choose 2 pages per sheet. As soon as you do that, you'll see a preview showing how the pages will be arranged on the paper. Take a moment to check that everything fits nicely. At this point, you can also adjust other settings if needed, such as page orientation or color options. Once you're happy with how everything looks, go ahead and click Print. And that's it. You've successfully printed 2 pages of a PDF on one sheet, saving paper, ink, and money, while also reducing waste. Thanks so much for watching. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to subscribe to Zimist Coded for more handy tips, tricks, and easy-to-follow tech tutorials. I'll see you in the next one.